Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a external CD DVD player. So if you've got a laptop like me, I have a MacBook Pro. It doesn't have external or an internal drive. So you got to get an external one. And I already did the exciting little peel off of the plastic. There was some plastic on it and stuff like that. And this, check out the drive. This is what it looks like here. It's nice and small, easy to put in a backpack. And check it out here. It's got ports in it. So you can use it as a hub as well. So it's got 3 USB 2.0 ports, a USB 3.0 port. It has an SD card reader and a micro SD card reader. So you can really use it as a hub. So like I have myself like one of these external hub thingies. If I have this, I don't need it. So this goes away and this is what I use. And hooking this up is great. It's got the wire built into it. So I can connect it up through USB if I have that. My Mac Pro has USB-C. Look at that. The wire has it already built in. So I would just go and plug this in to my MacBook Pro. I'll aim you down a little bit. So here, and you can see it lights up, and my computer says it found a device. It says allow accessory to connect. I don't need to connect it at the moment because I don't have any CDs here, but look at this. So you push the little button, comes out, you know, it's got its electronic whatever it needs to do inside of it. Super cool. If you're connecting it up to a computer that doesn't give it power through USB, it comes with its own little USB to USB-C wire as well. And then it comes with I don't know why you would need this here. This is the SD card to micro SD adapter, but it had a micro SD card slot, so it would kind of be redundant, I guess, at that point to be able to use this. I don't know. So whatever, if you need it, you need it. If not, whatever. So that is what it comes with. And it's really cool, nice and thin and small and super easy to use. I plug it in, it recognizes it. If you have some old movies that you want to watch or transfer to the computer or whatever, this is the way to do it. Get this. So really cool. It looks nice too. And it's super light and easy to do. And I love the way it has this here. So if I'm out at a customer site or something like that and I need to connect up to a CD or something that they have, or want to do some sort of CD training or anything like that, I just have the DVD training or data on it. I can just bring this and connect it up when I need it. So super cool. Thumbs up for sure.